Alright, I'm about to be talking about how to handcuff someone or something or whatever. These are my new handcuffs I just got. They're black, whatever, Amazon handcuffs. 22 teeth, whatever you want to call them, I don't really care. I have two sets of handcuffs, but my friend jacked them out of there, so whatever. Alright. Where you want to handcuff someone? Right there. On the bone right there. Whatever. You hit him on the bone if you want to be mean. It'll hurt pretty good. I do that to my friends. Whatever, just put it right there. Whatever. Put it on nice and tight. Can't. That really hurts though, but you can't move it or whatever you do. It's gonna hurt pretty much. I'm gonna have to take this off with the key. I noticed this key is different from my other keys, so it'd be pretty hard to find one of these keys. It's only for these handcuffs pretty much. I'm gonna take this off because it's hurting my wrist. When you wanna not be as mean, you just slam it on the wrist. It won't really hurt them, but they'll know you're not playing. And when you want it to not tighten on someone, you'll just push that little button right there, the little silver button. It's kind of hard not to miss. And you push it in with this little thing right here, or whatever you want to do. Push it in. Here, quick. You won't be able to tighten them. Ouch. You can tighten them, whatever. I don't care what you do. To undo it, turn it left and right, or right and left, whatever. Put it right there. Most people, most cops or whatever, gun hunters, security, they'll put it to where this thing and this one are facing opposite sides, or it's like that. So it's easier to do. So when you pull them out, both keyholes will be on the same side. I don't like these cuffs really because when you put them on someone, you're trying to do it fast, so you put them on like that. You're like ready to cuff someone, but then the keyhole or whatever, it's mad, so I just put them like that. So easier to put out or whatever. I have two handcuff cases. I'll keep them there. My other handcuffs go right in there, but I don't have them because my friend has them. These are my other handcuffs. Yeah, these are pretty good handcuffs though. I don't really recommend them because my other handcuffs are the silver hinged, and these are pretty thin. Mine are twice as thick as this. Little teeth in there. I don't know if you see it. I don't really care if you can or can't. They're good though. I use them as bike locks or whatever. Put them right there. And that's how they handcuff someone. You can also use them as shackles if you want to be mean. Whatever. Don't really care. Good handcuffs. Good for backup or whatever. Don't really care.